Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by to visit us, my name is Theo. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So for today's video, guys, I am coming at you with another Advent Calendar unboxing. Today we are going to be doing the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside, stay tuned. Okay guys, before we jump into this advent calendar, if you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any future content. Alright, with that said, let's go ahead and jump right on into the calendar. The little 12 Days of Beauty calendar from Ulta looks like this. It's shaped like a little Christmas tree, I guess. And this retails for $20 and the value is supposed to be $65. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Open her up. It's actually quite a cute little calendar. So let's see. We're going to start here. Number one is there on top at the very top. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Oh, cute little box. Look at that. All right, let's open her up and see. A jelly eyeshadow, and it looks like it's like a bronze color. See the little packaging there. And let's go ahead and open it up. I'm just going to open it up and give you a swatch of that. Look at that. It's a pretty color. It looks kind of silvery and with a little bit of bronze in it to me somehow. But let's go ahead and swatch it and see what it looks like. Oh gosh. It has that mousse-like texture to it. Alright, that's what it looks like on my finger. It's actually a pretty color. Let's go ahead and pop that on. Oh, actually, that's quite pretty. Not bad at all. Okay, okay. Huh, like I said, it looks kind of silvery or, I don't know. But on my hand, it looks more of a bronze. Definitely. That would be a great lid color. I'll definitely pop that on the lid or maybe even in the inner corner. Speaking of inner corner, I just realized I forgot to pop some highlight in my inner corner today. But we're going to work with it anyway. Okay, so that was number one. And I'm not sure if that's full size. That doesn't look like a full size. I'm assuming that's like a deluxe size. So, okay. But there's quite a bit in there. You can get quite a bit of use out of that little container. All right. All right. So let's move on to number two. Okay. Okay. And number two is liquid highlighter for face and body. So they're little liquid highlighter drops, a little mini size. This is actually a pretty color as well. Let me go ahead and open that up for you. Show you what it looks like. Put that right there. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Very pretty. Look at that. Let me rub it with my hand. Feels kind of good too going on. It's nice and smooth. That's very pretty. All right, Ulta. I see you. I really like that. All right, I don't really use liquid highlighter a whole lot, but this color is very pretty. I might drop a couple of drops either in my foundation or just put it on my cheeks for a highlight. I really do like that. And like I said, it is a small bottle, but there's enough in here to last for quite some time. So, box number three. Let's pop that out there. Let's see. And in box number three, we have an eyeshadow primer. Okay. That's the color of this primer. Okay, it's a light color there. And that's an eyeshadow primer. I'll have to test that out and see how it works. I think I've gotten a primer from them before in one of their little beauty kits that I bought, like those little holiday kits that they come out with. But I don't think I ever used it. So I do want to try it out and see how it works. And like I said, again, these are smaller sizes, but definitely enough to get quite a few uses out of. Let's go on to box number four. You know, I'm actually really loving these little advent calendars. It's just the thrill of opening the boxes to me. I've been having so much fun in these last few videos doing this. So, I don't know. I feel like a kid in a candy store, I guess. And the surprises behind every little box. Oh, okay, what's this? A chubby lip crayon. Okay, and this is like a burgundy-ish color. Let me show you the whole thing with the top one. That's a decent size. And that's what it looks like, the points. And of course I'm trying to make that focus, there it is. And of course I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you. So this is a lip crayon. It glides on really smoothly. This would be great. You can use it to fill in your entire lips or just use it as a lip liner. That's probably how I'll use it, more as a lip liner, but it's a very, very pretty color. Great for fall and winter. All right, we're up to box number 5. If I can hold on to it. All right. Trying to speed through it so I don't make this video too long. And in box number 5, I'm pulling out what looks like an eyeliner. That's exactly what that is. That's an eyeliner. And I'm sure that's not full size either, probably a deluxe size, but it's a decent size to use for quite some time. And it's just your basic black. I'll go ahead and swatch it just so we can see how it glides. All right, I just cleaned my hand. My hand's a little moist, but oh, there it is. All right. Like I had to swipe it a few times to really get anything off of this, and the tip is kind of breaking. But it's your basic black eyeliner. I'm not sure how well it would perform. Okay, that's coming out better. Like I said, I had just wiped the other stuff off my hand, so that might be why it had a hard time going on. So I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Okay, so on to the next product. We're up to we're up to box number 6 right here. So let's go ahead and pull it out. And behind box number 6, we have a tinted lip oil. Okay. I've never used a tinted lip oil, so I'm curious how this would perform. I wonder if it's like a gloss. Let me go ahead and pop it on my hand just to see. You're not gonna really be able to see anything because it's clear, but it does. All right, it feels like a gloss. You can't really see it. It's right there. Maybe you can, but it's pretty clear. I would wear this over lipstick or something. Touching it though, I don't have it on my lips, but it does feel a little tacky. So I'm not sure how this is actually gonna feel on the lips, but I will give it a try. Box number 7. 7 is my lucky number, so let's see what's inside of this little box. 8. We have a metallic cream eyeshadow. And this looks kind of rose goldish. All right. Let's see. You know, I'm gonna put it on there. All right, that's pretty. That's actually quite pretty. Look at that. That'd be great on the lid or over some other color, like right in the center as a pop of color, and maybe in your tear duct for a highlight there. That's beautiful. All right, I really do like this. All right. So far, I don't think it's too bad for a $20 calendar. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be like full-size products or things that were gonna really blow me out of the water for $20. But I just wanted to grab it to see what was inside and share it with you guys. So, all right, door number 8. Box number 8, I keep saying door. I feel like I'm on The Price is Right or something, right? Let's go ahead and pop this open. All right, okay, this is a velvet matte lipstick. Looks like it needs to be shaken up a little bit. It's a little gap in between there. And this is in the, it doesn't say what color it is. All right, but it looks like a neutral color, like a pinky mauve. Let's go ahead and again give you guys a little swatch. All right, that's a pretty nice color. I don't know if you can see that. Let me give you a little more swatch. There you go. See that? Pretty nice color there. I would probably put on a little bit of a brown lip liner and throw that right in the middle. I really like that. Okay. And like I said, the sizes that we are getting are enough to use for quite some time, even though they're not full size. So I appreciate that. You can throw little items like this right in your handbag without weighing it down with full-size heavier products. But anyway, on to number 9. And this is a shiny sheer lip gloss. It actually looks rose gold, but they say shiny and sheer. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Let's see. It has a little color to it. I could wear that by itself on like a really light makeup day or no makeup day. And this feels pretty good. It's not as sticky as that last one that I swatched, the clear one. The lip oil rather. The clear lip oil is what it was. Okay, I really like that. All right. Like I said, so far I like all the products in here. Like I said, I'm not sure how they'll perform, but I'm definitely willing to give them a try. I actually currently use the contour palette, the powder contour palette from Ulta, and I've been using it for a while, and I really, really do like that. It's actually my go-to contour palette. I like it that much. But anyway, okay, number 10. What is this? Oh, it's a little bronzer. Okay. That's a decent size, and the color is not bad at all. I think that, I don't know if it's dark enough for me, but it would suit a variety of skin tones. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little light for me. What I'd probably do with this is just use it as an eyeshadow. You probably can't even see it. Yeah. Like for me, it would be more of an eyeshadow transition shade. It's so close to my, like, it blends right in. You're really not going to see much of that. I'm trying, but you're not going to get it. So I'll just put that up there so you can see it. There you go. Okay. And like I said, for me, I would just use this as like an eyeshadow transition shade because it's not going to work as a bronzer for me. All right. On to number 11, which is right there. Oh, this is pretty. This is a chrome eyeshadow. And I'm assuming this is full size because that's a pretty decent size eyeshadow pan. Let's go ahead and open that up. Look at that without the... That's very, very pretty. Very pretty. I gotta swatch this. All right. Look at that on my finger. It has like a chrome effect. You can see it. It's very, very pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I don't know if it's picking up so great on camera, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, can't wait to play with this one. This is definitely one that I would put all over the lid. I love that. Love it. And it feels really good going on. Like, it glides really easy. It feels really soft. So, all right. Nice. And like I said, I believe this is a full size. Only thing I don't like is it doesn't have a color on it. But, you know, it's real pretty. And the last box, number 12. All right, we've made it to the end. Let's see what they save for last. Oh, okay. It's a little blush duo, a matte and a shimmer. Now, once again, I don't really think these are going to be dark enough to do anything much for me on my face. So again, it would be like an eyeshadow for me. But let me go ahead. Let me swatch this matte one right here. Yeah, definitely. This is definitely not going to do much to give me too much of a cheek. Well, it's very light. It's very, I can see it. I don't know if you can on the camera, but it's very light. And let's go ahead and swatch this other one. Oh, shoot. Now that one has a lot of pigment, a lot of pigment. So I would go very light with that, especially on my cheeks. And really, I think I would like it more as an eyeshadow. That color is very, very pretty, and that payoff is great as well. All right, guys. Well, that was everything that was inside of the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. And again, the cost of this was $20. Do you think it was worth $20? Let me know down in the comments below your thoughts on this, and if you think it was worth the price, and if you like the products that came inside of the Advent Calendar. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. If you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like before you go, I'd appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.